Now trust me, this buffalo chicken stuffed garlic bread is the ultimate gourmet sandwich. Put this down for everyone for dinner and I guarantee it'll be devoured in about 10 seconds. So let's get cooking. Take 2 fresh garlic baguettes and then we're going to carefully slice them halfway down the middle lengthways. This will allow you to stuff them later. And then we're going to place those baguettes on a baking tray. Place the baguettes in the oven and cook as per the pack instructions. Meanwhile, we're going to make the buffalo chicken. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large frying pan over a medium to high heat. Now add 2 chicken breasts which have been chopped into small bite-sized pieces. Then sprinkle over a tablespoon of Cajun spice mix and half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Stir together to coat the chicken and cook for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until the chicken is sealed and nearly cooked through. Now sprinkle a crumbled chicken stock cube over the chicken and stir together. Then we're going to add in a peeled and sliced onion and a de-seeded and sliced red and yellow bell pepper. We're also going to add in 2 cloves of minced garlic and a sliced jalapeno. Stir together and cook for 5 minutes, stirring often until the onions soften slightly. Now add in 60 ml, which is about 1/4 cup of hot pepper sauce, a tablespoon each of Worcester sauce and cider vinegar, and 100 ml, which is about 1/3 cup plus a tablespoon of double or heavy cream. Stir together and bring to a simmer. We're going to simmer for about 4 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until that chicken is fully cooked through. Then turn off the heat. By now those baguettes should be fully cooked through, so while they're still on the tray we're going to carefully open them back up along that slice you made earlier. Spoon the buffalo chicken mixture into the baguettes. And then we're going to sprinkle over 50 grams or 1/2 cup of grated cheddar. Return to the oven for about 2 to 3 minutes until that cheese has melted. Remove from the oven and now we're ready to serve. I love to sprinkle with some spring onions or scallions and another sliced jalapeno. Serve 1/2 baguette for each person with a nice green side salad. And there you go, that's my easy buffalo chicken stuffed garlic bread. Now, who wouldn't want that for dinner? Hope you enjoy it and I'll see you next time.